Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sounds like paperwork, but okay, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Yeah, sure. You have...
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
How do you do? I must have hit that track switch. This is all my fault. Oh no! Giddy up, Humphrey! Stampede! Really want it? Ooh, let's head him off at the pass! Don't let him get away! Not a chance!
Oh, look at little Mickey.
Oh boy!
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Gonna dance?
Aww.
Mama,
Now, let's conga!
Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. I don't have any other plans. Well, dang niggers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that would finally make it. When we had one crazy round. By my side.
This all started with one man's dream, Walt Disney.